My name is Simon Raj Analaki Antarisami. My matri number is 267623. Today, I would like to tell about Learn Online. We should learn online to manage time, improve virtual communication, and learn new technical skills. Nowadays, coronavirus has spread around the world. This pandemic season has teachers many ways to overcome the difficulties of studies. One of the methods used by the students is to further their studies by online learning. This online learning has a huge progress among the students to continue their studies during this pandemic season. This online learning gives students hope to continue their studies without any disturbance. There is a lot of improvements among the governments or private universities to increase their online system for the students to continue their studies. According to the student, can be anywhere to learn and interact with instructors and other students by online learning. Rapid development in the technology have made distance education easy. One of the most term have common the ability to use a computer connected to a network that offers the possibility to learn from anywhere. Although there is many developments on the technology for online learning process, but there is many students have difficulty for getting proper internet connection. Even in Malaysia, students that stays far from the city are facing internet issues. For the audience information, I am student face many problems in the terms of internet connection, lack of device to join online classes. This gives me a great challenges to overcome the problems to continue my studies in online learning. Today, I will talk about the benefits of online learning in this pandemic. We should know that online learning helps to manage time, improve visual communication, and learn new technical skills. Firstly, we should know that learn online to manage time. Online learning increase the time management between the students in the terms of persistence, dedication, and motivation. These terms will improve the students' understanding more on their studies and will be able to find sometimes to listen to course materials while students are commuting to and from the daily responsibilities. If the students are adjusting to a full on time online program or balancing school and work, it is critical to be able to continue and manage time effectively. A student has their importance to always agree on the timeline whenever possible, that is given a time specific timeline and allow students to share the work they have so that they are also given feedback on the progress. It is important to note that having a consistent workspace and timeline for activities, it is important when it comes to managing time with online learning. Furthermore, online learning helps the students to manage time effectively to find the balance between the coursework and the subjects like quiz, test, case study, and other obligation. A schedule will help one get into a routine that works in lifestyle and allows them to dedicate their full attention to each aspect of their life at a given time. The online learning has given a chance to learn something new during this pandemic season and help me to manage time as well, make my study progress to well preparation. This situation help to concentrate more on my understanding in online learning process. Secondly, we should know that learn online to improve virtual communication. Group projects have their share of innate challenges, but virtual group projects have the added challenges of being accomplished in a remote setting. As an online student, you will have to rely on their email or video conferencing to understand the project expectation. Not only these communication skills help students succeed in earning your online degree, it will also prepare them for success in professional environments, whether it is remote or in person. Among many educational benefit of visual learning, some of easier to identify. Online courses allow you to earn essential the same range of different degrees that can be found from a traditional educational environment. That include learning certificates and professional certificates to master degrees or doctoral degrees. Students who aren't as assertive may have better opportunities to participate in class discussion when communicate online. Working from our own choice of environment with self-paced learning, the result can be more personalized learning experience. The understanding of visual communication is the important point for the student to focus on their preparation of the studies. This can lead to a great choice of future benefits for the students to make their way long succeed in their career. There is also a big opportunity for the students to overcome the fear in their studies that they will be ruined in the pandemic season. Lastly, we should know that learn online to learn new technical skills. Based on the use of distance learning solution, the education system creates additional opportunity for updating training contents, teaching methods, and knowledge dissemination. These opportunities help them to enhance their skills according to the needs for professions they might go on the future. Online education enables the teacher and the students to set their own learning pace, and there's the added flexibility of setting a schedule that fits everyone's agenda. Online learning need basic technical skills to succeed their online learning course. These include the ability is to create new documents, use a word processing program, navigate the internet, and download the softwares. This method will provide a basic knowledge of the technology. This technology it will be useful in the future for the students for their work purposes. These skills can increase their ability to understand the exact topic that instructor try to teach the students, and it will make them clear to understand according to the topics. These methods can increase the understanding among students and can help them to succeed in their studies. They also can learn new learning process according to your study methods and lead to successful person in the future. The big opportunity for the student to learn new skills and technology by using online learning. The responses of these successful online students highlights several technique instructors can use to help their students development in active online learning skills. In conclusion, the pandemic has changed a lot of methods of people and students living styles. This huge difference has created many ideas among people to learn new things and new style of living. These ideas might be used for people to develop their study skill or working skill. These skills help them to gain more positive student environment without any problems for their education. We should understand that online learning helps people to motivate themselves to future goal achieved. That will be great accomplished for the students, and hopefully this good certificate grades to go with completing these courses. The techniques identified by successful online students can promote a rich learning experience for other students and provide a foundation for them to develop these skills. And this is the advantages of learn online in this pandemic season. This information will help the students to overcome their difficulties in studies and make them to understand more on their future preparation of studies. Use this skill wise and be ready for the future development skills of their personal and work experience as well. And thank you.